There have already been 5 guilty convictions in the Adelson case. Is Wendi next? As we all now know, in 2014, Dan Markle was gunned down in his own garage. Now, he was in a horrible custody dispute with his ex, Wendi. Her family wanted her and their children to move to South Florida. He was a college professor and was not able to move that far and was not having it. So, as the story goes, Dan's mother in law, Donna, guilty, got a hold of her son, guilty, who had a girlfriend, guilty. And she knew some men, guilty, guilty, who had this hit taken out on Dan. Just most recently, Donna Adelson was found guilty in this case. It took the jury about 3 hours to deliberate, which is leading everyone to wonder, is Wendi next? She's only ever been named as a conspirator, but now with all of the other guilty pleas surrounding it, I feel like she's starting to look pretty guilty, especially in this most recent case with her mom when she got up on the stand and essentially pretended to have amnesia. She didn't know anything. In some of these other trials that have been going on, Wendy's actually been offered immunity so that she can say what she needs to say without the fear of getting in trouble. That does not mean that she cannot personally be prosecuted for other things. So it's my opinion that if prosecutors can find any way at all to link Wendi to payment, to planning, to coordination, to any part of what happened to Dan, she is going down. I can't help but feel like the family has a great lawyer, though. I have wondered at times throughout this story if perhaps she was purposely left out of the loop as a way to make sure that if something crazy like this did happen and everyone was going to go down, the children still had their mom because they might not have anybody else. Especially because it's looking like Wendy's father might be a little guilty as well. He's another one who's only ever been named as a conspirator, but a lot of people have speculated that he had much more involvement when you consider how involved his wife was. Maybe my husband and I are too close, but I just don't think I could hire a hitman and get away with all of this without him finding out, right? I'm definitely going to keep an eye out for this story. If I see any type of grand jury action, y'all will know. What do you guys think, though? Do you think that Wendi deserves to be tried? Do you think her dad deserves to be tried? Comment below.